Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a Confluence page in Jira. First, go to your Jira and log into your account. Once inside, on the top left corner, click on this icon. Then from the drop-down, choose on Confluence. Now, click on the Try Now button. Then for here, select on Pages and click on Next. Then you can invite a teammate or skip on it. Then go ahead and get started. Now once in, on the upper ribbon, click on this Create button and choose on Page. Then in here, you can now create the page for your Jira. Then if you want to link this page to an issue, go back to your Jira account. Then in here, go to one of your projects. Now, select on one issue. Then, click on this plus sign button under the name. Then, select Page and click on Create Page. And as you can see, you can now create a page from Confluence for that Jira issue. So just go and type a title and then add in a content for it. Once done, go and hit the Publish button at the top right corner. Then you can also choose a location for it. And once done, click on the Publish button. And that's it. Your page has been published and linked to your Jira work item. You can now go ahead and close it. And you will now see that page to your issue. And that's just basically it. That's how you create a Confluence page in Jira. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.